Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sayyid Abid Hussaini, your host from your favorite channel HB Solution for Personal and Professional Development. Today is the wonderful day for all of us. This is the big day, the day to celebrate, the day which is very important in life of many of us like me. Not only those who are in our beloved country, Pakistan, but particularly those who are out of Pakistan, like me. So please help me in congratulating all Pakistani across the globe, from Pakistan, beyond Pakistan, America, UK, Middle East, Europe, Australia, wherever people are watching me. सबको मेरी जानिब से जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक. This is a huge privilege and proud for all Pakistani to witness this day and celebrate this day. I wish all our Pakistani people, whether they are in Pakistan or outside Pakistan, they should revive the promise. They should make another promise that no matter what, we will be always available with heart and soul for our nation, Pakistan. No matter what, whether we are having good time, whether we are struggling, whether we are having the tough time, or whether we are having a good time, no matter what, whenever, wherever our nation, our beloved country Pakistan will in need of anything, we will be available with heart and soul, regardless of our situation, regardless of our interest. Whatever we could do, we can always be available to do well for our country. Remember, it is not that what our country has given us. What matters is that what are we doing 2 cent for our country. Our country is like our mother. Our country is like our family. Our country is like our mother, father and children. If we will do something for our country, it is as good as doing something for our family, because our family matters, because our country matters. I hope you all are enjoying the day of independence, the day for independence of Pakistan. From Doha, Qatar, balcony of my apartment, Lusail, Qatar. Keep wishing, keep praying, keep enjoying, because you are the one who belongs to a wonderful nation, Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.